Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the details of beauty products to give you an honest, expert review. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Zoe Skin Health Aggressive Anti-Aging Treatment Radical Night Repair Plus program. This 5-step anti-aging regimen is touted as a solution to help combat visible signs of aging, offering a high-end skincare experience with a $400 value. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Zoe Skin Health Radical Night Repair Plus program is an extensive, multi-step skincare system that targets various signs of aging, from fine lines to skin texture. This program is designed for those looking to invest in a more intensive treatment for their skin, combining high-potency ingredients aimed at reducing wrinkles, improving firmness, and enhancing skin clarity. The 5-step regimen includes a combination of serums, creams, and cleansers, each formulated with a focus on skin rejuvenation. One of the main actives in this program is retinol, known for its anti-aging properties, along with other high-performance ingredients such as antioxidants, peptides, and exfoliants. These work together to target deeper layers of the skin, helping to improve the skin's overall appearance and health. In terms of real-world usage, incorporating this system into your nightly routine does require some commitment. The products are highly concentrated, so it's essential to introduce them gradually, especially if you have sensitive skin. For me, this program took about a week to fully integrate into my routine. The texture of the serums and creams is luxurious, with most of the products being lightweight but deeply hydrating. However, there was a noticeable tingling sensation upon application, especially with the retinol-based products. It's nothing alarming, but it's definitely something to keep in mind if you have more sensitive skin. As far as performance goes, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin texture after about 2 weeks. My skin looked smoother, and some fine lines were less pronounced. However, with the price tag in mind, I'd say this program is really meant for someone looking for a powerful, results-driven anti-aging treatment. It does deliver noticeable results, but there are other, more affordable options that can offer similar benefits without the hefty price tag. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this regimen. On the positive side, the Zoe Skin Health Radical Night Repair Plus program is incredibly effective at smoothing out skin texture and addressing wrinkles. The products feel high-end and work synergistically for impressive results. Another pro is the clear attention to quality. Each product in the regimen feels thoughtfully formulated, and you get a full skincare experience with every step. On the flip side, the cons mainly center around the price. At $400, it's a significant investment. While it does deliver results, it's not necessarily more effective than other retinol or anti-aging treatments at a lower cost. Also, some users may find the retinol a bit too strong, especially for sensitive skin, which could cause irritation if not used carefully. When it comes to value for money, the high price tag is a major consideration. While this program certainly works, I do feel that the price is quite steep for the average consumer. There are other anti-aging treatments on the market, some with similar ingredients and results, that cost far less. If you're someone looking for a high-end luxury product with potent anti-aging ingredients, this may be the right choice for you. However, if you're on a budget, there are affordable alternatives that still offer great results. As far as build quality and longevity go, the packaging is sleek and professional, in line with the premium price point. The products themselves are designed to last a decent amount of time, especially when used as directed. However, given the concentration of ingredients, I would advise using the products as part of your routine rather than daily to avoid overuse, which could cause irritation. Customer support from Zoe Skin Health is known to be responsive, though I haven't needed to directly interact with their team. They are highly regarded for their customer service, and the brand has built a solid reputation for standing by their products. So, in case you have any questions, you can expect efficient service. If you're considering alternatives, there are several other skincare systems at a lower price point that feature similar ingredients. Brands like The Ordinary, Paula's Choice, and offer powerful retinol-based treatments that can give you similar results for a fraction of the cost. So what's the final verdict on the Zoe Skin Health Radical Night Repair Plus program? This system is undoubtedly effective for those looking to target aging concerns with a high-end regimen. The ingredients are potent and the results are visible, but the price might make it feel out of reach for some. If you're willing to splurge for an intensive treatment with luxury formulations, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're more budget conscious, there are alternatives that provide comparable results at a lower cost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.